Natural gas drops on Wednesday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas market has gapped lower to show signs of negativity and then dropped even further. Natural gas is a market that I'm watching very closely right now because we do have to pay close attention to the fact that we are getting fairly close to the end of the high demand season, and therefore it's only a matter of time before we plunge. There are some questions about Europe importing U.S. natural gas, but quite frankly, I think that won't be as big of a deal now that we are getting fairly close to decent storage in the EU. And the other thing that people had been so excited about, a depleted inventory in the United States will get filled at these high prices pretty quickly. It was a colder than typical winter in the US, but it wasn't apocalyptic. And therefore, I think the reaction's probably a little overdone. Once we revert to the mean, this could drop pretty drastically. And that's the trade that I set up this time of year every year. Just like in late autumn, I start buying natural gas because it's going to go up due to demand. This is not a massive position for me, but I do recognize that the market is one that could offer a nice cyclical trade, and it can run pretty quickly to the downside if and when the market gets a grasp on the fact that demand is going to fall through the floor. This week in the United States is very warm. It's very spring-like. A couple more of these weeks, you'll see this plunge.